Here's a Luxe highlight for you. Would you like the whole package? The truck, the luxury fifth wheel, all in one. Ask us about it. 844-284-6678. We offer the trucks, we offer the luxury toy haulers, we offer the luxury fifth wheels, all in one package. You don't necessarily have to have a beefy truck like this. It keeps it safe, it keeps it on the road, it helps it stop the heavy load that you're towing. Here's the whole package. The truck, the luxury toy hauler, or luxury fifth wheel, all in one stop. Luxury fifth wheels, 844-284-6678, or get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.